Hi, this is Peter Stanley. Welcome to my channel. Today is March 29th, 2023, and this is my first pepper grow update for the season. Alright, so these are all Aji Largo Rocotos. I started in the AeroGarden Harvest Elite. They were a little rough looking because they were all crammed into one tiny AeroGarden. They actually have a few little peppers here and there. And the fabric pots are actually square fabric pots that go with the air cube system from Grow-Ace. They're ready to move soon, so I don't want to set that up yet. So I've got them started in these, and I'll eventually move these to the air cube system. So right now I'm using all of my bunch of my AutoPot stuff to help these along. So I've got the AutoPot 12-gallon reservoir and the 4x2 tray from AutoPot USA and their coco mat wicking system. And I'm keeping the, you could just, hand fill these, but I'm using the easy to go valve setup, and it's connected to the reservoir. So it's just kind of a hands-free set and forget kind of system. I just had to make sure I have nutrients in here. And this will, through capillary action, wick up to the bottoms. And I haven't tried something this big yet, so I don't know how well this will do. I did use it last season with very small fabric pots, and the plants did really well sitting on this. But this is kind of just a temporary setup anyway. So I've just got coco core and perlite for the substrate. And I'm using Dynagrow. It's not 795, it's whatever the bloom formula is, just what I have on hand. But and I've got the Mars Hydro and TS1000 and the Viper Spectra 1500. I forget what the letter is. Not the P1500. It's like a XS 1500, I think. Anyway, I use the Apogee sensor to adjust the PPFD at canopy to around 300 PPFD. So that should be fine. I've got it set up on a timer over here. And also have a few in the AeroGarden Sprout. Just starting to come up. I don't have, I've got a reference sheet somewhere, what's what, but I'm starting now to get a few of these coming up. So I'll do something with these soon, keep them moving along. But anyway, I just wanted to show that I'm still around, and it's been really busy, and I'm not really doing nearly as many peppers this year. There's been a lot of transition going on, but anyway, I just want to give an update. And as far as like the AutoPot stuff goes, I'll put a link in the description, but if you go to AutoPot USA, use the discount code PEPPERDACTYL10, you'll get 10% off your order. You can use that as many times as you want. And I'll put a link in the description that will automatically apply that discount if you want. And so anyway, thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.